Our elected officials literally believe that they own you and that they are entitled to your earnings, your wages, and your labor. Wake up, America. They're coming for you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it did not take long for the Biden administration and Democrats' lies and bullcrap to come to the surface. Remember all those campaign promises and all that stuff they told us over the last couple years, that all the tax changes would be focused on millionaires and billionaires, and how all these new laws and rules were going to work for people, and how the American Rescue Plan was going to get us out of this and save everyone. Do you remember how they said that all of the new IRS agents that they were hiring also were to go after millionaires and billionaires, not lower and middle class Americans? Well, guess what? Yes, they were absolutely full of crap and liars. Oh, what, Ericka? You're kidding me? How's that possible? No. Many of you are aware that in my professional life, I'm an accountant, that I have a bookkeeping practice, and then I have about 20 years of experience working with small businesses, individuals, and large businesses, doing their books, doing accounting, auditing, taxes, and stuff like that. Okay. I knew that it was a lie when they told you guys that those tax increases and those IRS agents aren't coming after you, middle class, because there's only so many millionaires and billionaires in the country. A couple hundred, as far as I'm aware. Maybe with the millionaires, it's a couple thousand. For billionaires, not that many. So what do you need 80,000 IRS agents for? To come after you. PayPal, Venmo, and all of these other payment applications are now obligated by the United States of America and the IRS by force of a gun, right? Because the government has a monopoly on violence. So they are now, all those organizations now have to report to the IRS if you get a payment of over $600 from anyone for anything. So literally, the bank that you're using to process, because that's what I consider PayPal and Venmo, these are essentially banks, they're now reporting to the government what your financial transactions are. I want to share this with you guys because this is what came in today specifically. This is an email. I changed, deleted a couple things to keep people's information safe, but learn about your Form 1099. So this is one I got from Intuit. They're letting you know that because of the American Rescue Plan, they're going to be sending your information to the IRS on your behalf. So a 1099 is the same as a W-2 that you get from an employer. It is an official transcript of what this company says that you made through their application. Ericka, why on earth would they want to know about anybody getting payments of over $600? Well, because if you get paid for services or work over $600, you're supposed to get a 1099 and pay taxes on it. So let me ask you, do you think the millionaires and billionaires are getting 1099Ks from PayPal and Venmo? Probably not. They're coming after you. They're coming after you, the little guy, the small guy, because you're who they need to get enough money from to try to keep this government afloat. You could confiscate the wealth of every millionaire and billionaire in this country, and it still would not be enough to pay for the programs that they say we need. Did any of you guys listen to the annual Festivus from Rand Paul this year? How many hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions and billions of dollars were given out in return for campaign contributions to legislators from across the country? There was literally an interview we watched. Where was the guy from? Delaware? Who was the guy? It was like the rep from Delaware or somewhere like that, where he said, well, I put in all my appropriations to the omnibus spending package, but I don't know what the other states put in. So this dude literally just admitted to the American people that he doesn't know what was in the omnibus bill except for what he put in it. Ladies and gentlemen, they do not care about you. I don't know. I mean, rarely does the evidence for how much the government despises you and thinks that you're stupid, rarely does the evidence come so quickly. So over the last 2 years, oh no, we're not coming after anybody. It's the millionaires and billionaires. Democrats and progressives, you bought the lie. And we told you it was a lie. Republicans who voted for Biden because you didn't like the mean tweets, we told you that it was a lie. We told you they were coming for you. We told you they were coming for your neighbors, and you didn't listen. Be prepared, ladies and gentlemen. Be prepared for the audit to come. If you are a small business owner, if you're a sole proprietor, and you're getting paid through PayPal, Venmo, or even your bank, the government is going to find you because those organizations are now fiduciarily responsible, legally responsible to share your personal financial information with the government, while they're at the same time infringing on cryptocurrency and saying that they're going to come in and they're going to la la la. Okay? Open your eyes, people. They're coming for you. It does not matter how little you make. It does not matter how unimportant you think you are. I've got a client right now going through an audit. They're being audited right now. Many of you don't know. If you order something from Amazon, say, or you order a product from off of a website from another state and you don't get charged sales tax, you're obligated to pay that sales tax anyway. Their bill right now is $50,000, and they're an average American small business. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't distrust the government, if you don't accept the fact that they are coming after you and they are coming after your family and that they do not care about you, your well-being, or your ability to take care of yourself, because keep in mind, they can come confiscate your money, your wealth, and everything that you own, and there is nothing you can do about it. Our elected officials literally believe that they own you and that they are entitled to your earnings, your wages, and your labor. Wake up, America. They're coming for you.